Hey yo, what's good everybody on the World Wide Web? It's your boy DJ Henton and I'm finally back with another video. So today I got an unboxing for you guys and this is probably my most expensive sneaker unboxing, which is in this box right here. But first I'm gonna start off with this, and as you can see by the tape, I got it from Undefeated. So I'm gonna move this out the way, get this unboxed, so we can see what I got. I gotta use like this pen because I can't find my unboxing knife. So, alright, cool. Kind of can just rip through it. Alright, move this to the side. Don't want to hurt myself. So first thing I see when I open the box is boom, an Undefeated sticker. Definitely gonna put this on a computer or something, but you know, it's just an Undefeated sticker. But that's not why y'all here. So put that to the side. It looks like I got the invoice. Yeah, this is just the invoice of what I got. Boom, put that to the side. So I got not one, but I got two pairs of kicks in this box right here. And the first one is my size, the second one is not, but they are the same pair of shoes. So I'm gonna just show you the one I got in my size. We have here a pair of NMDs. Boom. See that red? See that blue? You know what comes with that? The hype. It's dead stock. Because it still got the tag on there, but hello? Nah, I'm just playing with y'all. I got a pair of NMDs from Undefeated. I actually don't really know what the name of these are called, but I got it because of the hype. So, boom. And the size 9 is the same exact thing. I know my sister wears size 9, so I might get these to her. Stay tuned. I might use these as trade bait or something. So I'm gonna push these over. And then let's get my most expensive sneaker pickup unboxed. Now, the most expensive shoe I ever bought was a What the MVP LeBron 10. Let me turn this off, just my phone. Take off the volume. Yeah, so the most expensive sneaker pickup I ever got was the What the MVP LeBron 10. Got those for $1,600. But they are no longer in my collection. But this is the most expensive sneaker unboxing I ever got. All the way from Rift LA in California. These were, I believe, $800 on their site. But with shipping, tax, and with the final value at everything, it came up to about $800, maybe $800 and about $20. As you can see, you see the Air Jordan right there. At the top, you see the Just Dawn. Yeah, you see that Just Dawn. So let me get this open right for you. Oh, wait. Let me show y'all the size. Size 10. There you go, $800. All right. Boom. You already know what time it is. It is the Air Jordan 2 Just Dawn. Dead stock. Hello? Kais? I can join the crew? I'm just playing with y'all. Got the Air Jordan 2 gold emblem in here. Shoes are really clean, really clean. Here's the other pair. Really clean. Inside we got the dust bag that comes with it. Pretty wrinkled, but ain't nothing inside of there. And I don't know if this is a sticker. Nah, it's just like an emblem. Probably comes on the shoe. So yeah, like I said it, y'all, this is my most expensive sneaker unboxing yet. The Air Jordan 2 Just Dawn in the blue, royal blue colorway. Man, these shoes are really clean. I've wanted this shoe for so long, ever since I started collecting sneakers. It was one of the first shoes that like caught my attention, and I never thought I would be able to get these shoes because of the price. Like, it's the first time I saw them, they was going for like $1,000, but I'm older now, got me a credit card, got a job to pay my bills, so boom, I made it official. So let me just put these all together. I got the Air Jordan 2s and the NMDs, and this is my most expensive sneaker pickup yet. Behind me, let me show you a little sneak peek. I got a couple shoes right here, and a couple shoes right here, and a couple more shoes over here next to my speakers that I DJ with. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. I got my entire sneaker collection video dropping shortly after this one, so stay tuned for that. I'm really trying to get rid of most of my shoes because I'm trying to get a new car, so stay tuned for that. I appreciate whoever watched this video. It's your boy DJ Henten. I'll be back as soon as I can. Peace.